Hey guys, Chicago injury lawyer Scott DeSalvo here, and in today's video, I'm gonna tell you the topic. We're gonna discuss the topic of how can I win my workers' compensation case, right? So the first thing to know is that every case is different, and there are a million ways that an insurance company can fight your workers' comp case. Even though the law of workers' comp is meant to protect injured workers, there are a million legal ways that they can and will try to wiggle out of paying you your benefits, right? So, what do we mean by win? We mean by getting your benefits in a timely way so that you get everything you're entitled to under the Act without delays, stress, and worry. And when you're completely done treating, you get a fair lump sum settlement at the end of the case. So, what are the things that you need to do so that you can win your workers' comp case? The first is report the injury right away. Okay? Reporting the injury as soon as it happens or within 24, 48 hours of the injury that it happened, that you got hurt, critical. The longer you wait to report it, the more they're going to fight it or be skeptical. Okay? So report it right away. The next thing is, number two, get medical care right away. And when you get medical care, make sure that you make it clear to the doctor or hospital you go to that the injury happened at work. Okay? I have a ton of cases in my office where there's no explanation, or there's an explanation that doesn't include a work related incident, and it makes it really hard. Conversely, if the medical records say that you had an accident on Friday and on Monday you went to the doctor and say, starting on Friday, this happened at work and that's why I'm here, that just makes your case way, way stronger, right? Third thing, follow up on medical care. Okay, don't cut your treatment short. Don't stop going to the doctor, and follow your doctor's advice to make the strongest case that you can win your workers' comp case. Next thing, if you cannot work, make sure you have a doctor's note saying that you can't work, okay? I have a ton of people who get hurt, who call off work. They should have an off work note, but they don't get that off work note. I tell my clients, every time you see your doctor, get an updated status, updated work status, and provide a copy to me, a copy to your company, a copy to the workers' comp insurance, so everybody is on the same page. So don't take time off work unless you have a note from your doctor. And if you walk out of your doctor's appointment without one, you can call your doctor and request them to send you one, and that usually works, okay? Finally, last thing to keep in mind is do not expect or try to settle your workers' comp case until you are completely done and released by the doctor. Now, in the case of permanent injuries, they're probably never going to release you, or they may refer you to a pain doctor that you'll continue to see to manage your pain if you've got the kind of injury that is causing significant pain and disability for the rest of your life. Most injuries, thankfully, more or less plateau or you recover from, and then you're able to return to work and you're not seeing the doctor anymore unless you have a flare-up. Once that happens, that's the time where all the medical is known, all of the treatment, all of the diagnoses are known, and then you can consider everything when settling your workers' comp, because otherwise you're going to settle the case short. If you don't know about all the treatment, all the injuries, and you settle your case, you're going to end up with less money in settlement than you would if you include everything, right? Last thing is with an asterisk, but it's really an important one. Consult with an attorney or hire a good workers' comp lawyer. Like I said at the beginning of the video, there is a million ways they can fight these cases, and the workers' comp insurance companies love to do it. Why? Because insurance companies are a for-profit company. Their goal is collect premiums and deny, delay, or reduce what they have to pay on all of their workers' comp claims. So if they're able to cut short what they have to pay you, they get to save the money, right? So don't have any illusions about that. Your best defense against insurance companies who are experts at these claims is having an expert on your side if you have a workers' comp case. Now, the nice thing about having a workers' comp is in Illinois, the fee is 20%, but only of what we win you, right? Normally in a car crash or other kind of case, the attorney's fee can be a third or 33 1/3%, or even sometimes 40% or higher, depending on the type of case and how far into the case we get before it gets resolved. So workers' comp cases, the attorney's fee only gets paid if the lawyer wins the case for you, and it's only 20% of what they win for you, which is less than a car accident, dog bite, bar fight, fall down, nursing home abuse, you name it. And the lawyer, you never pay any money out of your pocket. The cool thing is workers' comp lawyers give free consultations too. So it doesn't cost anything to talk to a workers' comp lawyer. So whether you call me with your workers' comp question or you call somebody else, injury lawyers, including workers' comp lawyers, offer free consultations. So even if you're not sure you need to hire a lawyer, you can always call a lawyer for a free consultation. If you need a free consultation from me, 312-500-4500. You can call anytime, night or day. And that's it. I'm going to wrap it up. Thanks for watching. I hope that information helps you. Give me a call if there's anything I can do for you. Take care. Bye-bye.
Thanks for watching. If you or anyone you know has been hurt in an accident and needs a lawyer or even just has questions, give me a call anytime, day or night, at 312-500-4500. You can call me anytime, day or night, and the consultation is free. That's 312-500-4500. Or if you're not ready to talk to a lawyer, I made 2 great tools that really help people out that you can use for free on my website. The links are in the description. The first one is called the Case Cash Calculator, and it tells you what your case might be worth. The other is called the Good Case Calculator, and it tells you whether you might have a good case or you might have a case with some challenges. The best part is that they're 100% free to use on my website, and it only takes you 20 seconds flat to answer 7 multiple choice questions right off the top of your head. And then you get custom information about your particular injury situation fast and for free. So check them out, links in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. I release 2 new videos every week, and this way you'll get notice of them. And if you have a question you'd like answered in a video, just leave a comment with your question in the comments section. Finally, if you enjoy my videos or if I've helped you in any way, I hope you'll consider doing me a favor. Injury law is a very competitive field, and I like having a small independent firm so I can help people who need it. People really rely on Google reviews when deciding who to hire. So I hope you'll consider leaving me a 5-star review on Google. It only takes a few seconds, but it's a favor to me that I would really appreciate. The link is in the description. You just go to that link, click 5 stars, say a kind word, hit submit, and you're done. Once again, I hope you and your family are well, and if anyone you know needs an injury lawyer or has questions, please send them my way by calling 312-500-4500. Thanks again for watching. Take care.